In a realm where reality intertwines with dream, Omar Khayyam stands amidst a visual spectacle of divine scrutiny and human indulgence. Inspired by Khayyam's audacious quatrain, this Midjourney AI-crafted masterpiece unfolds in the tender brushstrokes of Claude Monet's watercolor artistry. As the mellowness of autumn hues embrace the scene, a celestial dance unfolds before Khayyam's eyes. Elegant dancers move to the rhythm of celestial tunes while the Judgment Day clock ticks softly in the backdrop. The Almighty's piercing gaze traverses through the veil of time, casting a divine light that unveils the gates of heaven and hell. On one side, the fiery abyss awaits, while on the other, heavenly gates beckon amidst the earthly realm. Beneath Khayyam's feet, the conniving devil lurks, its fiery breath fanning the flames of eternal damnation. But Khayyam, with arms outstretched, finds himself in an enigmatic balance, his heart resonating with the lyrical defiance against the rigid moral judgments. As the ethereal lights shimmer through the autumnal canopy, Khayyam's dream manifests the essence of his verse, a poetic voyage that challenges the conventional, and celebrates the eternal dance of love, wine, and divine transcendence. As Omar's reverie unfolds, each verse of the quatrain finds visual expression in the Midjourney AI-rendered tableau. They say a drunkard is destined for hell, whispers the fiery abyss, its flames leaping in wild choreography. But if that's the case, a heart can't dwell, murmurs the heavenly gate, serene amidst the earthly bloom. If lovers and wine-bearers are doomed to descend, sings the celestial dance, a sublime defiance against the ticking Judgment Day clock. You'll see heavens as close as the palm of your hand, come the morrow's end, promises the divine eye, its gaze softening over the poetic equilibrium Omar embodies. As the spectacle of colors and emotions culminate, we are left in a poignant stillness, only to be rekindled soon as Omar Khayyam's verses find new horizons in Midjourney AI's realm. Stay with us for more visual voyages where Omar Khayyam's timeless wisdom meets the creative expanse of Midjourney. If this blend of poetry and Midjourney AI's visual artistry, enhanced by my vivid imagination and countless hours of trial and error with AI artistry, has captivated you, please subscribe. Journey further into the enchanting meld of past and present, verse and vision with us.